In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the workspace name in Asana. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a little refresher, this guide will walk you through each step with clarity and ease. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Asana workspace and make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you have Asana open, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find your profile icon. This icon might display your initials or a photo, depending on how you've customized your profile. Clicking on your profile icon will open a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you'll see a variety of options that help you manage your account. The one we're interested in right now is labeled Admin Console. Go ahead and click on Admin Console. This will take you to another page where you can make various administrative changes. Now that we're in the Admin Console, take a look at the sidebar on the left-hand side. You'll see a list of options for managing different aspects of your workspace. We're focusing on settings today, so find that option and click on it. By clicking Settings, you're entering the section where you can make adjustments to the overall configuration of your workspace. Within the Settings section, you'll notice the workspace name prominently displayed. This is where you can make the changes you need. Clicking on the workspace name will open up a text field, allowing you to edit the name. Take your time here, ensuring that you enter the exact name you want. Changing your workspace name can be an important update, so make sure it reflects the new identity or purpose of your team's work. After you've typed in the new name, you'll see an option to save your changes. It's crucial to remember to click Save Changes. Doing so will confirm your adjustments and ensure that the new name is applied to your workspace. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully edited the workspace name in Asana. This change will now be visible to everyone who is part of your workspace, providing a renewed clarity and focus for your team's projects. Remember, it's important to periodically review and update your team workspace settings as your projects evolve. Keeping your workspace organized and accurately labeled can make a big difference in how your team collaborates and communicates. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now more confident in handling administrative tasks within Asana. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more of our tutorials or contact Asana support for additional help. Thanks for tuning in, and happy project managing.